This is one of my most favorite hikes that I've done in the entire Philippines, you guys. This is it. This is probably the top 5 hikes for me. We are here at Casaroro Falls, a place that I hold very special to my heart. Now, I've been here, this will be my 3rd time, and it's usually an arduous hike down these stairs over to the falls and back up. So I don't do it very often, but this time I'll probably be in the best shape that I have been in the last, I'd say, 6 years to do this hike. So I'm excited. Are you ready? Let's go. So I got my superstar here today. These are the stairs at the very top, and there's a lot of stairs. And I want to be careful. And I'm going to be careful this time. So they look pretty mossed out, and just take your time. I've twisted my ankle 2 times this month, one crossing a river, and another time just doing some walking, some hiking. Gross, baby.
What's that?
Those are coffee beans. Coffee. Yeah, these are coffee beans. I'm surprised to see them here. You eat it, really? Huh. You sure?
Oh my God. I'll show you, huh? I'll show you guys. Oh.
What's in that hole? No matter how many times I've been here, it does not get old. This is really a special place. It's an amazing place. And if you happen to be in the Dumaguete area, don't miss this hike. This has got to be one of the most outstanding, spectacular waterfalls that you're going to find in all the Philippines. It is so tall, so majestic. I can just hear it roaring from the top of the stairs here. It's just out of this world. Filipina in the Philippines. Look at these steep stairs. Oh my gosh. These are about 45-degree angle. Take your time. We got Angela doing the B-roll for us. The B, the C, and the D roll. Nice to have an extra camera woman handy. All right, so Angela may make a channel in the future, so I'll give you guys a heads up. She's been thinking about it for a while. Real pristine in here. Yeah, they must have had some landslide stuff come through here. Take that out. So beware, stuff can fall at any time. So what makes this hike a hard hike? Well, you have several stairways that are very steep. And so you're trying to keep yourself from going too fast, and that really works out your leg muscles. And then when you get down there, you're going up and over rocks, so you're lifting your legs a lot. And then you do that 2 times in the way coming back. You're like, oh my gosh, it'll work you out. In fact, I did not want to come up here unless I had kind of done a lot of walking beforehand and then relaxed and became ready for this hike, because this is not a hike that won't work you out. It is a hike, but it's a great hike. Oh, you always see cassava.
They still eating this one, and also this one, Gabi. Next time we will buy cassava.
Ah, okay.
You will know what's cassava is.
Sidewise? Yeah, walk sideways, she says. So those stairs are a little bit nerving because they're so steep. When she saw those stairs, she's like, oh boy. They really freak you out kind of when your first time you see them. You're like, oh boy. I know. So I'm going to put the camera down so I can walk these stairs. So we just made it to the bottom of the stairs. Let's go up here a little while. This stuff here, guys, this used to be the old walkway that washed away. The water is so powerful that comes down here when the storms come through that it just starts moving these huge boulders around. And this whole landscape has really changed since I've been here last. Like that big boulder, that probably washed down since I was here last. I try to stay dry. See, there's the old walkway there. It's a great idea, but whatever's holding it up gets washed away at the base, right? If we were to make a walkway again, having it outside the riverbed would probably make the most sense. When you get to the bottom of the stairs, take a right and just keep walking. Look for the path, and at some point it'll cross the other side, and you want to cross over. About halfway there, you'll have to cross over. Gorgeous sight. Just in a good mood today. Jungle Girl is thriving and alive in her element. All right, I'll give you the camera here in a minute. There's still a little bit of the path, and then it'll cross over. That's where we cross over, right there. Right here. Yeah, right here. These are the big boulders we just came over. What's up with this bridge?
No, don't go there. You're gonna fall there.
You have to cross. Oh, the bridge is gone. Nobody repaired it. Looks like we're gonna cross right here. Take our shoes off for this trip.
There, the bee.
So
He's wearing shoes.
Be careful crossing there, you guys.
Yeah.
Hold on to the pipe as you come across.
Or you can't swim as well.
You can swim as well, yes. You're so inclined.
You have a lot of choices. Holding the, what's that? I don't know what's that, but you can swim.
Pipe on the bridge. Pipe.
So let's enjoy, you guys. This is my second time to go here and waterfall. Yeah. Hurry up, Pa!
That sometimes in life you cross different bridges, right? And they signal different shifts. I noticed.
Here, the handsome one. We're going over there.
Went a little bit faster here. Going slow, I twisted my ankle 2 times this month. My ankle's kind of weak.
Yeah, I'm always saying like, be careful, be careful.
Yeah, that was pretty pitiful when I fell. Helpmate sure made that easy. So I'm very grateful for Angela. Very grateful. My #1 superstar. Are you ready? Good job today. Good job, by the way. This will give you a little perspective how big this is. We're getting ready to go back up the stairs. That was really a fantastic hike. Now I've noticed my legs are a little tired. They're not nearly as bad as they were when I first hiked this place because I've been doing some hikes and a bunch of stairs. So if you want to come down here and maybe do a couple smaller hikes with stairs, you get ready for this place. I'll show you the stairway. And she's climbing the stairway to heaven.